Here we can see our committed RAM is 32 GB. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the virtual memory on your Windows PC. Increasing virtual memory can help your system performance, especially if you are running resource intensive applications. So let's get started. The first step is to open the system properties. You can do this by right clicking on this PC or my computer on your desktop in the file manager. So let's go. Click on file manager, click on this PC, then right click on your mouse, then select properties. After coming here, you have to select the advanced system settings. Now you can see a couple of options here. In advanced section, you have to select the performance option, click on settings, then come to advanced option. Here you can see the virtual memory option. A paging file is an area on hard disk that Windows uses it if we are a RAM. Just click on change option. Here automatically manage paging option will be select default option. Uncheck this mark and select custom size. Now here in the initial size and the maximum size field, enter the values you want to set. As a general rule, in the initial size it should be 1 to 5 times, and here it should be 1 to 3 times. Like for your better understanding, I'm showing you this chart. Like if your computer has 4 GB of RAM, your initial file size would be, let me show you. Like 1 GB is 1204 MB, we all know that, of course. Then it would be, our computer is 4 GB, so multiply by 4 equal to 4096. It is our initial file size. Here you can see 1024 multiplied by 4, 4096. It's our initial file size. So you can expand this up to 1.5 to 3 times. So my recommendation would be 2 times. If you multiply 4096 into 2 times, then it would be 8196, which would be our maximum file size. So 8192 would be our maximum file size. Here my computer has 16 GB of RAM, so I will be using 1024 into 16 GB. My initial file size would be 16384, and my maximum file size would be into 2 times 32768. We don't need this anymore. So as we can see, our initial file size is 16384 and maximum file size is 32768. So we are increasing like 32 GB in our system memory. Click on set and press on OK. After selecting that, we have to restart our computer. After starting our computer, we go to Task Manager, Performance, Memory. Here we can see our committed RAM is 32 GB. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it will help you guys a lot, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks and goodbye.